Want to detox your kidneys without relying on expensive supplements or harsh chemicals? What if I told you that some simple lifestyle changes could give your kidneys a complete reset? Stick around, because I'm about to share 7 game-changing tricks that will help you detox your kidneys naturally, easily, and effectively. Your kidneys are your body's filtration system. They process about 200 quarts of blood every single day to filter out toxins and waste. But what happens when your kidneys get overwhelmed by all the junk we put in our bodies? Well, they start to slow down and the toxins build up. That's when we run into trouble. In today's video, I'll show you 7 tricks you can use to keep your kidneys in tip-top shape and support their natural detox process. Trust me, these aren't complicated. They're practical, easy changes that will make a world of difference. Number 1. Stay hydrated. The most important thing you can do for your kidneys is to stay hydrated. I can't stress this enough. Water is your kidney's best friend, because your kidneys rely on water to help flush out toxins and waste through urine. Without enough water, the kidneys struggle to do their job, which means waste can build up in your system. Think of your kidneys like a coffee filter. When you run water through it, the waste comes out clean. But when there's not enough water, the waste starts to stick to the filter. The same thing happens inside your body. The average person needs about 8 glasses of water a day, but this can vary depending on your activity level, climate, and health. Just listen to your body. If you're feeling thirsty, that's a sign to drink up. If you're already dehydrated, your kidneys are already working overtime, so it's crucial to stay on top of your hydration game. Number 2. Limit your sodium intake. Too much sodium can cause high blood pressure, which is one of the leading causes of kidney disease. The problem is, many of us eat way more sodium than we realize. It's hiding in processed foods, fast foods, canned soups, and even bread. When you consume too much sodium, your kidneys have to work harder to get rid of it, which puts unnecessary strain on them. Over time, this can lead to kidney damage. Aim to limit your sodium intake to no more than 2,300 milligrams per day. This might mean cutting back on salty snacks, fast food, and anything that comes out of a can. When cooking at home, try using fresh herbs and spices instead of salt to flavor your meals. Not only will it help your kidneys, but your taste buds will thank you too. Number 3. Eat the right foods. Here's where things get really interesting. Your diet plays a huge role in supporting kidney health. But not just any diet. You want to focus on foods that support kidney detox and reduce inflammation. Let's start with fish, particularly fatty fish like salmon and trout. These fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which can help reduce inflammation in the body and support kidney function. Spinach is another winner. It's packed with antioxidants and nutrients like vitamins A and C, which help fight free radicals and protect your kidneys from oxidative stress. While spinach is great, keep in mind that it's also high in oxalates, so if you have a history of kidney stones, moderation is key. Sweet potatoes are another excellent addition to your kidney-friendly diet. They are rich in potassium, a mineral that helps balance the sodium levels in your body. When your potassium levels are in check, your kidneys don't have to work as hard to process excess sodium. Number 4. Eat more vegetables. Vegetables are the unsung heroes when it comes to detoxing your kidneys. Asparagus, for example, acts as a natural diuretic, helping your kidneys flush out excess fluids and waste. If you've ever wondered why asparagus makes your urine smell a little different, it's because it's doing some serious detox work inside your body. Celery is another kidney-boosting vegetable. It's rich in fiber, antioxidants, and water, all of which support kidney function. Plus, it's low in potassium, making it perfect for those who need to watch their potassium levels. Lettuce, cabbage, and cauliflower are all great choices too. These vegetables are high in fiber and help promote healthy digestion, which is key for reducing the load on your kidneys. When your digestion is running smoothly, your kidneys don't have to work overtime to filter out waste. Number 5. Herbal tea. If you're looking for an easy way to detox your kidneys, look no further than herbal tea. Certain herbs have powerful detoxifying properties that can help flush out toxins from the body and support kidney health. Dandelion root tea, for example, is a natural diuretic that can help increase urine production, which in turn helps remove toxins and waste. Nettle leaf tea is another excellent choice. It's packed with antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties that can help protect your kidneys from damage. If you've been feeling sluggish or bloated, drinking a cup of herbal tea might be just what you need to give your kidneys a little boost. Now, don't go overboard with the caffeine. While green tea is great for your health, too much caffeine can have a dehydrating effect, which is the opposite of what your kidneys need. Stick to caffeine-free herbal teas like dandelion and nettle for the best results. Number 6. Avoid artificial sweeteners. You might not think that artificial sweeteners are a big deal when it comes to kidney health, but they can actually cause some serious harm. Research has shown that excessive consumption of artificial sweeteners like aspartame, sucralose, and saccharin can lead to kidney damage over time. These sweeteners are often found in diet sodas, sugar-free snacks, and sugar substitutes. While they may not add any calories to your diet, they can contribute to kidney stress and increase the risk of kidney disease. Instead, stick to natural sweeteners like honey or stevia in moderation. And when you're craving something sweet, try satisfying your taste buds with fruits like berries or apples. They're naturally sweet and packed with nutrients that support kidney health. Number 7. Take the right vitamins. Certain vitamins play a crucial role in maintaining kidney function and detoxing your body. Vitamin C is one of the most important for kidney health. It's an antioxidant that helps reduce inflammation and supports your immune system. Since vitamin C is water-soluble, your body doesn't store it, so it's important to get a steady supply from your diet. Citrus fruits like oranges, grapefruits, and lemons, as well as strawberries, bell peppers, and broccoli, are all rich sources of vitamin C. Vitamin B6 is another essential vitamin for kidney health. This vitamin helps regulate the kidney's filtration process and assists in metabolizing proteins. Without adequate vitamin B6, your kidneys would struggle to break down the proteins that circulate through your bloodstream. Vitamin B6 also supports your nervous system and promotes the production of red blood cells. Lastly, vitamin D helps regulate calcium levels in your body. When you have enough vitamin D, your kidneys can balance your calcium and phosphate levels more effectively. This is especially important because an imbalance in these minerals can lead to kidney stones, which are painful and problematic for kidney function. You can get vitamin D from sunlight, fatty fish, or supplements if needed. Now, while these tricks are great for maintaining kidney health and preventing issues, it's important to understand when it's time to see a doctor. Your kidneys work quietly behind the scenes, so symptoms of kidney problems might not always be obvious at first. If you experience persistent fatigue, swelling in your legs, ankles, or feet, or if you notice changes in your urine, like blood, foam, or color changes, those could be signs that something's off. Pain in your lower back above your kidneys is another red flag. These could be early signs of kidney issues like infections or stones, and they shouldn't be ignored. Additionally, if you have a family history of kidney disease, diabetes, or high blood pressure, it's especially important to stay proactive and get checked regularly. Early detection is key to managing any kidney-related problems before they progress into something more serious. So, always listen to your body and seek professional advice if anything feels off. Your kidneys are too important to take chances with. So, there you have it. 7 simple tricks that can help you detox your kidneys and support their health naturally. Remember, your kidneys are responsible for filtering out waste and toxins from your body. By making these small changes to your diet and lifestyle, you'll give them the support they need to do their job efficiently and keep you feeling your best. Subscribe now for more easy, healthy tips.